How to turn off the typing indicator in the Session Private Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you'd rather keep your activity more private, you can disable the typing indicator in the Session app. First of all, launch Open Session application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the main home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now this will open Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Privacy at the bottom, and inside Privacy, you will see the typing indicator option at the bottom. Simply toggle off the switch right next to typing indicator. Once you have this turned off, your contacts will no longer see when you are typing, which will give you a little more privacy while you chat. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.